Is this new Z Flip 7 case from Tongate going to be worth it for your new Galaxy Z Flip 7? Let's find out. So first off, let's talk about the top piece here. You do get a full privacy screen protector. So not only is this going to protect that top piece on the back of your phone, but you do get that full privacy screen protector. So if you turn it left or right at an angle, people are not going to be able to see what you're doing. And it also does have raised edges around here as well. So not only does that protect that whole area, but it also is going to protect the camera lenses, especially if you were to have it folded like this and you drop it camera lens side down, it'll hit those edges first. Coming down to the bottom, you have a full hard cover, which is going to be great for shock absorption. And then you also do have a MagSafe 360 ring. So you can actually pull that out, use it as a kickstand, and then it also does turn 360. So you can get a lot of viewing angles with this. And then if you look right here in the middle, there is a spine piece that not only protects that spine of your phone, but it also does act as an automatic hinge, which is going to be great for unfolding and folding your phone. And then if you want to unfold your phone and keep it like this unfolded, it does snap in. Some other protection features you're going to be able to find are the bumpers at each corner of the case, which are going to be great for shock absorption, especially if you do drop it on the edges or corners of your phone. And overall, this is just going to be a great daily case for the Flip 7. You have all the protection that you need. You have really convenient features like the MagSafe ring, which is going to be great for wireless charging, etc. But then it also turns out into a kickstand. It's going to be everything you need, and I would definitely recommend this one from Tongate.